Composition of functions, introductions. First definition of composition of functions. Let f from a to b and g from b to c are two maps be two functions. Then the composite of a and g denoted by g composition f and is defined as the function g composition f from a to c given by g composition f equal to g of f of x for all x belongs to a. Now in diagrammatical representation of composition of functions, consider three sets a, b and c. A, B and third set C. Set A, B and C. All elements in A, B, X. First consider a map from A to B, that is F. Now the elements of the set B are f of x. And a map from B to C, consider as G. Then a map from A to C, that is called the G composition F. Note 1. If G composition F is 1 to 1, which implies F is 1 to 1. Second one, if G composition F is onto, then F is not onto. It is not necessary. For third notes, if f from x tends to y is a function such that there exceeds a function g from y to x such that g composition f equal to ix, identity function of x, and f composition g equal to iy, identity function of y. Then f must be 1 1 on 2 and on 2 functions. Now a theorem 1. Theorem 1. If f from x tends to y and g from y tends to z and h from z tends to yes, as functions, then H composition of G composition F equal to H composition G composition of F. Proof. let H composition G composition f of x equal to H of G composition f of x. This is equal to H of G of f of x for all x belongs to x. For all x belongs to x. And H composition G composition f of x is equal to H composition G of f of x. This is equal to H of G composition of f of x for all x belongs to x. Hence H composition G composition f equal to H composition G composition of f. Note, this is called this property is called associative. This property is called associative property of composition function. Composition of functions. Hence composition function always associative. Note 2, this is note number 1. Note 2, composition of function is not commutative. Not commutative in general. Sum of the function is commutative. That is, if f from x tends to y and g from y tends to z, then f composition of g is not equal to g composition f.